Welcome back to the Bubba Bubba Multiverse. We're at another gun show, Tampa Gun Show. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's going on.
Same setup, one for one. Everything's the same thing. Look, on the other side, see where she posted right here? She's just straight ahead. That backside is Glock Perfection. That's all that guy does is slides, triggers and stuff. So he might have one of his personal guns that he's already done. If not, he can do it all for you. But I would check with him.
How you doing?
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
All right.
How you feeling, all right?
I feel much better, brother. Much better.
So if he doesn't have one that's already tricked out, you can always come get this one, and then he'll do it all for you. You know what I mean? Because I know that's what he does with triggers, slides. He does all crazy stuff. So he might, sometimes he brings his own assignments, but sometimes they sell quick. So check with him, because that's what, he used to be an armorer in New York, and that's all he does for us. So, appreciate it.
Black out. Nice. HK for the boys. Game of defense. There's an eagle.
So when you get to be 18 to buy a gun, what kind of gun? Revolver?
I'm gonna buy the biggest revolver I could even find.
You want a revolver? You got a trigger?
brother?
Good brother, how
You
are
been
you?
all right?
Good to see you.
You too. Pioneer gun and ammo.
There you go.
Because it's the best way. Magazines go here.
Got the Kel-Tex on sale. $2.99, not bad. What's happening with you? You alright?
Chilling, bro.
That's good, brother. That's good.
Somebody came this morning. Yo, Bubba told me to come and see you.
Thank you.
Appreciate that,
I'm
bro.
telling. I'm gonna keep pushing them. Come see my boys. Y'all hit that like and subscribe button, please, and share. What deals on the ammo you got for me?
Ooh, I got a few different deals. Of course, I always got something on the 9s.
Yeah.
I'm doing 500 rounds of 45. I'm doing that for $260. I got 200 rounds of 5.56 in the can for $135.
Okay.
Or I'm doing these for $125, which is the 223. Then I've got a few different deals on like 380. I'm doing $22.99 a box for one box, or $20 a box if you're buying 4 or more.
Okay.
Then 38 special. These are gonna be $29.99 a box. 4 or more, $26.99 a box.
Okay, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Here, look at this one. You want to put a spotlight on one? Put a spotlight on that.
Oh man. That's a new one.
Yeah. I sold that one online this morning.
That's bad.
I just finished it Friday.
You gotta make me a custom one, man. I need you to make.
The way the guy is, the higher this up ends up, the farther away you can shoot. I was just keep all man.
Are you selling those uppers separate?
Yes, sir.
How much are your uppers separate?
380.
380. Okay.
Please don't touch. Only one I want to grab.
Oh. All right, there. Well, gauge.
That's a PayPal.
Shotgun.
We got a car. We got a car.
1911, that's pretty. I like that.
Good day. Browse and see what you guys see today. Oh yeah. If you guys have any questions, you guys run up to the 7:30.
Slashing his wrist with the safety button.
Hey, how you doing, brother?
Good, how are you?
All right.
Looking for anything specific?
Just looking around right now.
Name's Nicholas. If you need any help with anything, I'll be right here.
Okay, thank you.
Sir. How's it going, sir?
Okay. The guy down there didn't know where the place was. Is it somewhere on this side? Or
Right
that
there.
side? Down that way?
Yeah, right
Perfect,
there.
Thanks. Okay, let's go down there.
Well, they also have that. Oh, this is a secondary safety. Yeah, no, it's just a secondary safety. It's like the dovetail.
June 7th, June 5, Lot 17. Trump jail picture. That's awesome. I like that. Color is that?
You doing good?
Yeah. How about you?
Pick up the magazine.
What's that?
Anderson. Paper size. SMG, $9.99. Or you can get it for $7.49. Folding Smith & Wesson for $5.99, 9mm.
All right there, sir?
Yes, sir. How you doing?
Hanging in, my friend.
Okay.
If you have any questions on it, man, just let me know.
Okay, thank you.
Email district partner, which we didn't have.
But I wouldn't put that on 22. I mean, I don't know. Maybe. I passed.
I haven't had any I don't get a back of this anything.
That's like the hollow.
It's got basically, I don't know which reticle you got on it. So you
Hello. How you doing, brother?
How you doing?
All right, all right.
Doing good?
Yes, sir.
I'm there. See what you like. All the good prices. Take the gun out.
5 inches, right? They work really, really well on 16s as well. They just keep the sound away from you. They're pushing it forward.
All right, how you been, brother? Good to see you. You too. You been okay?
Yeah, staying out of trouble the best I can.
You right, me too.
Asked some old guy this morning how he was doing. He said, man, if I was doing any better, they'd find a way to tax me for it. And I was like,
And they do. And they do. He's right about that.